Hey everyone! Are you tired of endless hours searching the internet for the perfect graphic assets? Well, your search ends today. Whether you're a designer, developer, or creative freelancer, you know the struggle of finding high-quality assets that truly stand out. But guess what? The Git Aset Lifetime Deal is here to revolutionize your creative journey. Let's dive in and discover why Git Aset is a must-have for your toolkit. What is Git Aset? Ever heard of Git Aset? It's like having a magic wand for your design needs. Whether you're working on a big branding project, designing an app, or just looking to jazz up your social media posts, Git Aset has got you covered. From stunning vector graphics to sleek UI kits, Git Aset offers over 10 different categories, including fonts, illustration kits, template kits, vector graphics, icon sets, mockups, UI kits, isometrics, 3D graphics, and presentation templates. And the best part? All assets come with a commercial license, so you can use them anywhere without any watermarks or restrictions. Just download, edit, and you're good to go. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices await. Normally, the full price of this fantastic asset library is $447, but right now, you can grab it for just $49. That's an insane 89% discount for lifetime access to Git Aset. And yes, this is a one-time payment, no hidden fees or recurring costs. You heard that right. For just $49, you get unlimited downloads, lifetime updates, and premium support. Think about it, unlimited access to over 13,000 assets constantly growing in number and quality. Let's take a closer look at all the awesome features packed into this deal so you can see exactly what you're getting. Unlimited downloads per month, lifetime commercial license, premium support. Trust me, once you have these assets, you'll wonder how you managed without them. For features that make Git Aset shine. Exclusive designs. Each product in Git Aset is crafted by professional designers and illustrators. Fully customizable. All templates are fully editable and customizable, allowing you to tailor each asset to fit your specific needs. Commercial license included. Use every asset in your personal and commercial projects without any restrictions. Diverse categories. From 3D graphics to UI kits, Git Aset's broad categories ensure you'll find exactly what you're looking for, no matter your project type. Who can benefit from Git Aset? Graphic designers, product designers, web designers, visual artists, UI/UX designers, marketing professionals, developers. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Git Aset lifetime deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. On top of that sweet $49 deal, there's a way to grab an extra 10% off. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Git Aset lifetime deal offer. Find out about a cheap pop-up bar. Type in an active email address. Continually use the same email address. Look in your email to find the 10% off promotion. So, why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that Git Aset lifetime deal on AppSumo Git. Are you still waiting? So sad, don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. So, are you ready to transform your creative chaos into a masterpiece? Dive into the world of Git Aset. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.